championship time. We are ready to go. The Saskatoon Blizzard and the Kansas City Thunder playing at the United Center in Chicago. We are ready to go. Championship. You're watching LHL Network. Welcome everybody to the Championship Series Game 1 of the LHL. Now we are just about ready to go. We are going to get started within the first few minutes. We are just about ready, as you can clearly tell on the scoreboard. Saskatoon Blizzard, Kansas City Thunder. Now let's go and get started with the opening show. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your teams in this year's LHL Championship Series. Let's start with tonight's designated home team, the 1 seed, the lucky one, the team who was favored, and the team named after the weather in their city. Please welcome the Kansas City Thunder. Now please welcome the biggest underdog this league has ever seen. The biggest underdog this place has ever seen. The team who was lucky in making it to the finals against New Orleans. Please welcome the Saskatoon Blizzard. There you have it, your 2 LHL teams, the Kansas City Thunder and the Saskatoon Blizzard. Man, lights are still off. Hasn't taken this long for the lights to come back. There they are. So we are just about ready. Got the lineup cards. Jake Allen's still in net for Saskatoon. He has been incredible for him. Now this is nerve-wracking, ladies and gentlemen. It's the championship. Well, Kansas City had a lot of lucky games. It's time for us to get started. Megan versus Makita on the draw. We're underway. Makita wins the draw, gets it to Paul Thompson. Shooting! Easy save from Artem Brodeur. You have your first save of the finals. Kovalchuk shooting, save again. This place is energetic right now with fans. About 70% Kansas City, 30% Saskatoon right now. That didn't go in. Rebound, the sit their own goal. Artem Brodeur, the first goal of the championship series. Maybe that Saskatoon one went in. I don't know. Pretty sure it didn't. I'm not going back to review it. Martin St. Louis shooting. It's blocked off. This is Paul Thompson. Pass across. This is Agostino. He shoots. Can't get a rebound. It went wide. Now this is Kovalchuk. Got it over. And now this is going to be Makita. He gives it up to Kovalchuk, back to him. Shooting, save there. Rebound, Kovalchuk, save again. St. Louis, now it's blocked, and now it's right for Jake Allen. Goes up for Agostino, it's tipped wide. by Martin Brodeur. Now this is St. Louis. Shooting save. Rebound. Kovalchuk can't get it. Martin Brodeur made the save as it came back. Still 1-0 Kansas City. The goal came less than 30 seconds in. And now nothing after that. And I thought that one was in. Man, the puck just keeps bouncing back. Here's Mikita. Shooting. Save there for Jake Allen. This is going to be Paul Thompson. Shooting and hit the pipe. This is going to be in. Kovalchuk hit the post. Two shots in a row. 2 posts. Thompson, no. Gave it to Agazino. Quick play. Can't get it. Kovalchuk now. Save again for Allen. Thompson now. And that one went out of play. I saw it and the scoreboard turned off. Great. It went out of play. I clearly saw it. Happens all the time, guys. Kovalchuk went wide. Rebound. Can't get the shot. This is up for Paul Thompson, who gives it to Andrew Agazino, who gives it to Megan, who carefully gives it back to Jake Allen. Now back to Thompson. No. Gave it to Agazino. No, he gave it to Megan. Shooting save again. Now Agazino's going to get a try. Another save for Martin Brodeur. This is up for Stan Mikita. He scores! 2-0 Thunder. And they're just getting lucky right now. 2 goals in a row. Still haven't found it. Saskatoon still has yet to answer. Kovalchuk couldn't get it through. Now Thompson's going to have to shoot. Can't get it. Thompson shoots again. Not going to get it through. And the horn sounds as Mikita got it over to Martin St. Louis. Kansas City up 2-0 as we head to the break. We're back for period 2 of action. 2-0 Kansas City right now. They look like they might win this game. I predicted that they would win 3-2. But then they would lose the next game. That's what I thought. Here's the face-off. Shooting! St. Louis was stopped off by Allen. Giving away Kovalchuk. Save again for Jake Allen. 2 shots in a row. 2 saves. Now this is going to be back. Agazino was stopped by Brodeur. Still has a shutout going. Now this is St. Louis. He scores! 3-0. 3-0 Kansas City. And they're killing it right now. Ooh, that almost went in. Imagine if that had gone in. Kovalchuk, shot, save Allen. This is going to be Thompson. Waits and fires, save again. And now this is going to be St. Louis. Oh, he tried to fake the goalie. Allen made a save and it went out of play. So it's still 3-0. Keeps his team in the game. Now it says St. Louis shooting. Allen keeps his team in the game. This is going to be Megan waiting and firing that couldn't get through. And Agazino couldn't get it off the boards. Got it to St. Louis. Put it wide. I feel like all the wingers have all the shots. Now Megan hurries up. Fires one that went wide. And I thought that was in. This is St. Louis. Up to Mikita. He fires one that's stopped by Allen. Now this is going to be a shot for Agazino. Can't get it. Just under a minute to go with this period. Still 3-0. Thompson can't get it. Rebound. Easy save for Brodeur. Now that shot's going to be tipped up and out of play. And it's right there. Just took a few seconds to see if I could find it. 47 seconds remaining. It's still 3-0. And here's a shot. It's blocked there by Mikita. Now it's given away again. St. Louis fires. Save again for Allen. This is going to be a chance. Or Thompson was tipped by Mikita, almost in his own goal. Now it's another giveaway. Megan was stopped by Martin Brodeur. Now this is going to be Kovalchuk firing that didn't go. Mikita, another try. It's blocked by Wade Megan. Now Andrew Agazino will fire, save again. 15 seconds left. Still 3-0. We could possibly have our first postseason shutout. It won't happen though, I guarantee it. I said they would win 3-2. Now it's a giveaway. Woo, that almost went in. Imagine. Now Thompson's going to have to shoot it at the post. We're going to look at it to make sure. Maybe it went in. We'll see. Just a bit of a note to Saskatoon fans. Thompson's shot did not end up going in. So it's still 3-0. Kansas City still comfortably leads. We're going to see if Brodeur can close it out. Voice cracked. Face-off, we're underway in this period, and Megan's just going to shoot it himself, save Brodeur. Now Kovalchuk firing, that doesn't go. Now it's a giveaway there to St. Louis, it didn't go in the net. Got it away. Now Agazzino gave it to Thompson. Back to Agazzino. No, it's another giveaway to St. Louis. Put it wide. A lot of giveaways this game. A lot of turnovers. Carefully gets it to Thompson. Examines the net. Fires. Save again. Rebound try. Another save from Martin Brodeur. Still hasn't choked up, and now that shot is out of play. Just over 33 seconds into the third period. Still 3-0. Still comfortably leading 3-0 on the Thunder. Now Agazzino fires, can't get it. Kovalchuk gets it to Stan Mikita. He'll fire, save again for Jake Allen. Agazzino now, it was tipped by Mikita right to Brodeur, who made the stop. Now St. Louis fires, it was tipped by Megan. I guess the centers are the D guys. Thompson, save again for Brodeur. He has not coughed up once. 1 minute remaining in regulation time. 1 minute. Scores! 4-0. It's Martin St. Louis. He has basically put this one away. They comfortably lead 4-0. Now here's the face-off. St. Louis again wide of the cage. Now it's a giveaway to Kovalchuk. He fires, save again. Rebound. Can't get it by. Now this is going to be Thompson firing. Can't get it. Possibly the first shutout. We'll find out. We'll find out in 40 seconds. Save again. Now this is back in. This is going to be the shot. It's blocked. Right to Mikita. The save again for Allen. Now that shot for Agazzino went wide. 25 seconds left. He shoots his block. Rebound. Scores! Mikita again. 5-0. Possibly our first ever postseason shutout. It won't happen. I know. Agazzino waits. Fires, save again for Brodeur. He gets another try. No, he gave it to Megan, who fired it, went wide. 10 seconds left. They're just going to hang on to it. And now this is going to be Kovalchuk. The shot, he scored! 6-0. 4.3 seconds left. It's 6-0. 4.3 to go. That's it. The Thunder win it. And they get the first ever postseason shutout. The second shutout of the season. Martin Brodeur stops every shot that came off a Blizzard player. They win game 1 and will have an opportunity to clinch on Thursday. It was a good game. The Thunder were going to win from the start. I said they would win 3-2. And they won 6-0. So game 1 comes to a close. We will see you guys on Thursday for game number 2 of the series. Goodbye.